We'll be looking at page 157. 157 deals with solving equations with variables on both sides. Begin by copying down problem number 3. It says 8t plus 5 equals 6t plus 1. What you should notice about this equation, how it differs from previous equations we've solved, is this equation has the variable t on both sides of the equal sign. T is in the left expression and t is in the right expression. So in this case we won't combine like terms. We'll look to eliminate one of these variables. I'm going to eliminate the variable on the right hand side. This is a positive 6t, so I will choose to subtract 6t. Whatever I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other side, subtracting 6t on the left as well. Equals in the middle. 6t subtracts with 6t to leave 1. 8t minus 6t is a 2t. Plus 5 remains on the left hand side. Now this is a form we've seen many times. Our goal is to get the variable t by itself. Currently 2 is being multiplied by t and 5 is being added to it. So we will first undo the plus 5 by subtracting 5 on both sides. 5 subtracts with the 5 to leave 2t on the left. 1 minus 5 is a negative 4 on the right. We want to get t by itself. The coefficient 2 is multiplied by t. To undo that multiply, we will divide by 2 on both sides. 2 divides 2 to leave t. Negative 4 divides 2 for negative 2. We believe that t is equal to negative 2. We will take this possible solution and substitute it back in place of t. 8, open parentheses, instead of t, negative 2, plus 5, equals 6, open parentheses, negative 2, plus 1. Using our calculator, we will evaluate the left expression and the right expression. When we do that, we will see that this statement is indeed true. Therefore, t equal negative 2 is a solution. The next problem we will try will be number 6. Eight plus 4m equals 9m minus 7. Again, we notice that there are variables in the left expression and the right expression. We cannot combine those two. They're on opposite sides of the equal sign. We will look to eliminate one of these variables. I'm going to eliminate the 9m. Look in front. It's a positive 9m, so we will subtract 9m on both sides. Equals in the middle. 9m subtracts 9m to leave minus 7. In this context, we will write it as a negative 7. Eight remains the same. 4 minus 9m will be a minus 5m. Again, our goal is to get m by itself. We will deal with the constant term first. In this case, it's a plus 8. We will eliminate that by subtracting 8. Whatever we do to the left side, we must do to the right side. 8 subtracts 8, leaving minus 5m. In this context, we will make it a negative 5m. Negative 7 minus 8, using your calculator, yields a negative 15. Solving for m, we will divide by the coefficient, negative 5, on both sides. Negative 5 divides negative 5 to leave m. Negative 15 divides negative 5 is a positive 5. We will take this value, m equal 5, and substitute it into our original equation. 8 plus 4 instead of m, 5, equals 9 times 5 minus 7. Again, we can use our calculator. This one I believe we can do in our head. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 28. Pardon me, I made a mistake. Negative 15 divided negative 5 is a positive 3. M equals 3. Substituting 3 into the original equation. Here we see the value of doing the substitution. Had I not substituted, I would have left the error negative 15 divided negative 5 as positive 5, whereas it should be positive 3. Again, using your calculator will prevent you from making small arithmetic mistakes. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 7 is 20. This statement is now true. So, m equal 3 is a solution.